split body command to split a solid body or sheet body into multiple bodies using a set of faces or a datum plane. Where do I find it? From Toolbar feature, select Trim drop down and then select Split Body. From menu select Insert, then select Trim and then select Split Body. How to use Split command. In this tutorials please see now we have one body. First, select Split Body command. Second, select Target Bodies. In Tool option, we have four options: Face or Flaunt, New Plane, Extrude, Revolve. To use Face or Plane, you have to create them first. New Plane, Extrude, Revolve you can make them after select option. Third, select Plane to split. Fourth, click on OK to finish this command. In this option, we will show more about select Extrude option. Revolve is same. In Tool select Extrude option. Then select Section. Then select Direction. Click OK to finish this command. Note: when you split a solid body using a face, the face must be large enough to cut through the body completely. Thanks for watching.